In the panel, we just discussed the spectrum problem in mobile communications. Do you think there is a shortage of spectrum? And if there is, where are the bottlenecks?
Yes, I think there is a shortage of spectrum. And mainly it comes from that we come from a situation where we have a lot of narrow allocation, and now we see the need for larger allocation and larger bandwidths. So we end up in a very fragmented situation, and that is one part of the problem, that more spectrum is needed. I think also, then of course we see also the tremendous growth in traffic that needs to be coped with, and it's no doubt that spectrum is one key to provide this in a cost-efficient way. And I think we also need to prepare for the future, because I think we have only seen the beginning of the innovation and the different types of traffic that is happening in the networks. And since there is a long time constant from identifying a spectrum to make it available, I think we should not sit and wait for that. We need to make sure that we have appropriate allocation planned along the road.
Okay, so do you think the problem is in business modeling or more in technical aspects, in spectrum allocation, different methodologies, or more in the political level?
I think it is a mix, and I think we need to meet both from a business perspective, because we need it at the end. It needs to be sound business, and I think also we can meet it from the technology side, and we already have, I think, from technology perspective, partly solved how to be able to operate in a fragmented spectrum, but we also see the big hurdles in that, so we need to overcome that. But I think that's one example when we can, and also, for example, if we can make different bands equally attractive, maybe that can foster, if we can do that, solve that technically, that could also then foster different business setup or some movements in the spectrum arena. So I think the business and the technology aspects needs to meet here.